Today, my paper focuses on one central idea from Emmanuel Levinas. Before power, before law, and before knowledge, we are already responsible for the other. Many philosophers build politics on authority, control, or rational decision making. Levinas does the opposite. He says that the face of the other commands us to care even before we choose. So my paper asks, can politics truly be built on ethics? And I argue yes. Leadership becomes legitimate not because a person has power, but because they serve human dignity. This apply to governments, to leaders, and even global politics, especially when nations face refugees, war, or humanitarian crisis. The, pur- the purpose of my paper is simply to show that responsibility must come before power. Without ethics, politics becomes domination. But when leaders begin with responsibility to the other, politics becomes human, compassionate, and just. So that's all, and thank you.